Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to use Google Keep and how I'm going to keep track of your progress. So to start, I'm going to send you an email and it's going to look a lot like this. You're going to press Open and Keep and it's going to pop up with a checklist. Now in this checklist, you just want to work down and watch these videos, and in the later tiers, you'll have other links to documents and stuff like that. And when you finish a task, you just hit the little check, it comes down to the bottom, and you can move on to the next thing. To press one of the links, you want to click in the link and then click Go to Link, and it'll take you straight to the YouTube video, and then you can just leave that. When you're done watching the video, check it off and move on to the next thing. When you get down to the View Highly Suggested Reading Materials, you don't have to read these, but we would definitely suggest it. It's definitely going to change your mindset. And then when you're done, just email me, and this is my email address. If you click the link, it doesn't quite work, but just go to your email, you'll already have my email. So close. That checklist is accomplished, and I'll send you another checklist. I'll share another one with you. Now, while we're here in Google Keep, I just want to show you a couple of things that you can do. Important checklists or important notes or reminders as well, you can pin, and so it brings it to the top. So if you have multiple checklists, multiple notes, your pinned ones will be at the top at all times. You can also view them in a list, like a Facebook timeline almost, instead of all over the place. You can even create labels and organize them. And you can add it to that label by coming down here to the three dots, hitting Add Label right there. So when you come over here, it's automatically included. So that's just some of the cool things I wanted to share with you. Like I said, I'll be able to keep track because we both have access to these playlists, or these checklists, I mean. And all I have to do is come in here and add you, and each one will be individual and personalized for you. So as you complete these, just know that I'll be able to keep an eye on it and notify me when you're done, and I'll share the next one with you. Thank you.